Friday, December 9th, just following up on ROKU. You can see here now it's starting to break down a little bit. Bought the puts here at the blue line, kind of waited a long time for the rest of the morning into the afternoon, and now we're starting to break down. So the options are kind of starting to move up a little bit. They're bidding, whoops, where is it, 435, asking for 45. I bought those at 406. So you could, they're starting to move up. We'll see if they move a little higher here. Tough to say on the daily chart. Again, I played the broadening action to the upside that I thought would fail given the overall big picture of just kind of heading back into this gap area. And, I don't know for sure we're going to come all the way down on the 15-minute chart today, all the way back to the lows. We're just going to consolidate, but it basically is not the type of day where, even though this looks like a first directional move up, it really just came all the way up from the bottom to the top. So it wasn't the type of move where you were expecting an orderly pause and then major continuation higher, especially given the overall market that I kind of discussed is in between its pre-market range, and now it's rolling over a little bit. It's just sort of consolidating with a downward bias. So anyway, it's starting to move nicely here. We'll see, where this day ends up. If we can get another shooter bar in here by the end of the day, I'd feel pretty comfortable with following through next week to new lows. That's kind of what the plan is. Weak stock kind of broadened out a little bit in the short run. We have targets down here. So we'll see if we can really get weak here and come down. At this point, if we can come down to the bottom, as long as we hold the midpoint of that first bar, I guess, we're just consolidating in the day. But if we can come down a little bit more, you can kind of take you can set up a no-risk trade or scalp or take a short gain. If you want to, just see how it closes into the close, that'll give a good indication of what happens next week.